Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Agya Amatya, and in this video I'm going to show you an interesting project on 8th project of ESP32 Basic Starter Kit. Are you excited? So let's start. We need ESP32 development board, 0.96 OLED display, jumper wires, and breadboard. I have connected 0.96 OLED display with ESP32, SDA with digital pin 21, SCL with digital pin 22, VCC with 3 volt, and GND with GND. I am in Arduino IDE. I have already done coding, so I will give the code in description. So let's see the code. Here in line number 13, you can change your SSID, and in line number 14 just change your password. So now I'll show you the demonstration. Now I'll upload the code. Now the code is successfully uploaded. Now I will take you to my mobile. So now I am in my mobile. So now I will go to Wi-Fi and search my Wi-Fi. So mine is Adventure Avenue. Your Wi-Fi name may be different from mine, what you have given in code. So now I will type my password. So now I will go to here and go to manage router. So now you can see this interface. So now I will type my message. So now I will update it. So now you can see the display is showing hi. So now I will show you the demonstration again. So now you can see the message is displayed. Thank you for watching my video, and please do like, share, subscribe my channel. I'll be making more videos like this. Bye bye.